All we wanted was opportunity. Just play. Lord knows.
It's your worst nightmare. It's my first night here. And this girl right here, who knows what she knows? So I'm going through her phone. If she go to the bathroom and her purse right there, I don't trust these hoes at all. But that's just a result of me paying attention to all these women that think like men with the same intentions. Talking strippers and models that try to gain attention.
We do the 2-minute plank, everybody does it. We make it past 2 minutes and everybody gets a special surprise.
Jordan, my only role models. That's why I walk around with all this gold on. And every time I run into these niggas, they want no problems. Bottom sixes and chains, and some bracelets and rings. All of the little accents that make me a king.
Don't stop right now.
They try and point out to me, but
It's been past 2 minutes.
Yeah, I saw that.
So that's about 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Thank you.
The first Island Mastermind workout. Careful. How was it?
It was good, honestly.
I cannot even walk. Like.
Good leg day. So now we're gonna go back, freshen up, get ready in a couple hours. We're gonna start the 170K in 1 month case study, Mastermind, make some money, have fun. See you there.
Yeah. No dreams too big, chase anything, got the passion to do. Only a dream till it happens to you. Finally seeing money, now I'm acting a fool. Never thought touring the world all year would be something I might actually do. Friends came through, got me so high, I forgot who I was passing it to.
This was the Instagram page we did, 170.8 plus the PayPal. So I wanted to break down like all the parts from that. I think they could be helpful.
For sure.
For sure.
Let's go.
Christian Dior on my shoes, they cost a band. I probably won't wear again. Lil' Milton just came on the news. I'm thinking, damn, he back in trouble again. Spin me a meal cause I can, I know who I am. And I give thanks to the man. Tiger just jumped out of can, that's my little man. Right back in action again. That young nigga shit, we still on it. My dog going through it, I feel for him. She told me she love me, I feel for it. Got real niggas sitting in jail for it. Got a pack, I'ma put it in the mail for it. On the hunt for the money, I smell for it. When big dog on this tongue for it. That little boy shit, I ain't going for it.
Holy shit, bro. Yeah. Like that was intense. Like I do systems and I understand like if this then that statements, but that's wild. I did not know all of that was going on behind the scenes.
We just finished up right now the 170K case study, private presentation, private showing, a lot of these things first time, like actually talking about them to people outside of our team. We got some more things to talk about off camera, and then we're gonna go to the bay.
Life like, this is what your life like. Try to live the life right. People really know.
Right, we made it to the bay. We're walking around this amazing trail. I love coming here to get some sunlight. So after a little mastermind, we'll continue the conversation. We'll get outside, get some sunlight, get a little bit of light exercise, and enjoy the views. And then we're gonna have dinner. 5 stars, cooked by yours truly.
Like a sight bike, resting on the gas, supernova for a night light, dreaming at my
Buen provecho, mis amigos. Igualmente.
¿Qué? ¿Encuadramente?
You know what light is shining on my face right now? You know where we're at? With the squad? Movie theater! It's movie night, baby! Good morning, it's day 2, starting off another morning workout. Today is push day. You ready for another early morning workout? You got your full 8 hours of sleep last night? No?
An hour.
Yeah.
Enough.
Be all good for today to get a good workout in, and then go to the secret favorite beach. So, let's get that workout.
more money, more problems, more guns, more violence. I beat a couple cases, I feel like John got it.
It's another beautiful day. Got a good workout in. It's only 10 a.m. now, and we're headed to a secret surprise beach. So the car's all filled up. We got Candy, Jay, Justin filming, and just gonna go to one of these places that I think is really cool, and I think they will think is very cool, and just kind of enjoy the beach and have a good day. So that's where we're on our way.
These roads of flames are catching a fire.
The water is much higher than normal. We're getting started here. Look how nice this is.
Oh, this is the secret entrance here?
So, next one.
Next one? All right, wait for the water to go down and everyone run. Go, 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 go.
Tell me where you gone. I've been feeling for your love so long.
Right. We've been hiking for, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so right now. We just got to this little path in this beach with these giant waves. And we're getting close to the destination. We got a little bit more work to do. Ready?
Pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip, getting messy, that ain't what we doing.
Look, this is the same reason why I don't like to just wake up and eat a meal. I have to feel like I earned a meal, which is why I go walk, get some sunlight, work out a little bit before I ever eat a meal in the day so I can earn it. So now we just hiked for a couple hours and now we earned the right to enjoy the water and be here. And I think when you delay gratification, you can do anything. That's why we're here enjoying this water. How's the water? Keresawa.
It's actually quite cold.
Is that Spanish?
It's actually quite cold. What do you mean?
Oh, what part of the
Spanish, bro?
Agua bien?
Muy rica. Fresca.
Justine?
Justine approves of the water.
El agua está bien fría. El que sepa español, tengo las bolas congeladas.
Hey, yo.
Papalera?
Fuck you!
What happened?
Dude, a fucking bird just took a shit on me, man.
What are the odds of that timing?
Oh my god, bro. I was like, I felt something warm in my hands. I was like, dude, what the fuck is that? Got it all on my phone and
that's
shit, bro.
terrible. That's terrible. To wrap up the Mastermind, weekend went by super fast. We're having some sushi. Buen provecho. This is Jay's first piece of raw fish sushi.
Cheers.
Buen provecho.
That's actually pretty good, bro.
The Mastermind is officially over and it went way better than I ever could have expected. I just got a message like an hour ago from Jay. It was a voice message. He's like, bro, this experience was just amazing. It really, motivated me and showed me what's actually possible. And I'm so excited for the future now. Candy's on a flight right now, so I'm sure we'll get more words from her later. She's going back home to Mexico. But the entire purpose of this type of giveaway experience is to take people who have never been in or around certain people that have done things that they're trying to do, and then show them the life of that person, what they actually do, what type of results they're getting, so then they know it's actually real. This is what I can work towards. And here's maybe what I was missing in my personal development. Here's maybe what I was missing in my business. And now they have these takeaways, things that they've been exposed to during this weekend trip that they can now take with them back home to their life, their business, to continue growing. And it was just absolutely amazing. Even for me, I got a lot out of this and I'm excited to do more in the future, just with more people. If you want to be a part of the next Mastermind, then become a student. Join DDM. Prove to me that you actually want to get results and you'll be a part of my community, my inner circle. And that's where I spend most of my time, hanging out with students and giving them opportunities. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
You'll be set a face. Fuck God. 12 bottles in the case, nigga. Fuck God.